What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our main shop and we were getting ready to put this Terrastar back together. This morning Rodrigo threw these extra frame rail pieces. I don't know exactly what you're calling them, but he threw these on, welded them back together, and we are pretty much good to go. We have to drop this sander on here, we got to throw the wheels on, we got to throw the plow on, we got to connect everything, make sure it all works. He also changed the bearing in the sander already, so that's good to go. But we should pretty much just be at a bolt-on application at this point, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. The only issues we will run into is maybe a hydraulic line or something in this light bar. This is obviously already hung on here, but there might be an issue with the lights. We know, if you saw my video, the last one we did, we had major issues with the wiring inside of it, so hopefully this one is wired better. And then also these are the hydraulic lines here, so as long as they plug in and fit, then we should be good. But I'm gonna set this up on a time lapse real quick while we throw this together, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
Let's go.
Hola. Alright guys, so we got the sander dropped down, all bolted on. We got our fenders on, and we have one of our mudflap brackets on, but we ran into a little issue that the boys didn't account for while I was gone. And if you see here on this side, we have this plate that's welded to the channel that our sander's on, and these mudflap brackets are probably, I don't know, 4 inches wide or so. So say about 2 inches, maybe a little bit more from the hole. So it's hitting that plate. I had to cut one of them. You can see here I had to cut this in order to fit this on here. So we have to do the same thing on the other side here. And we also have spacers that go behind these because of the width of it. We had to fill that gap. We have this one here, so this would go like that, but behind. So I'll have to cut this one, something like that, and I'll also have to cut this one, and then we can throw that bracket on. We have the spinner to go on, and then we basically just have to test everything and make sure it all works, make sure everything's all bolted down, and then this truck will be good to go. All right guys, so we got the sander on, wheels on, fenders on, mud flap brackets are on, spinners on, and we pretty much are done. We just have one thing left to do here. We have to grind this bracket that holds all of the hoses off, and we're gonna relocate it underneath here. That way, oh nice, got hydraulic oil on my hand. Thanks, Rodrigo. You put it there. So we're gonna move that over there. That way, when we hang a mud flap here, we don't have to notch the mud flap or anything for all of those hoses, and it'll just hang nice and clean with those out of the way. But this truck came out very nice. We have to wash it and get a lot of this dust off of here, especially being that I had to grind these brackets today in order to get these to fit. But it's all good. This truck looks very nice with everything touched up, repainted, the whole frame, all the plows, everything on here. But I need to hop in this truck right now, and I am running this up to our Orange County yard. So first long trip in this for me. Rodrigo already drove it down here from our Dutchess yard, so it runs good and we have no issues with it, but hopefully it stays that way. All right guys, so I made it down here with no issues. We are just tight inside this garage here. We have about an inch there, and this plow is just inside the door here. We have like maybe 2 inches in the front there, but this truck actually ran very nice all the way here. No issues at all, and I'm sure it is going to be a pretty badass plow truck. But one thing to note, we do have room in front of this truck, so we can pull this forward and get some more space here. We have like 3 feet here, so this truck is going to be put on the sidelines for now, and this is the truck that is replacing it. So now it's here. If he needs to use it, he has it. There is a chance of snow tonight into tomorrow, just like a dusting if anything. We might get called in, we might not. We're going off of a call, and then over the weekend it looks like we're having our first real storm. They're calling for 3 to 6 inches Saturday night into Sunday, so get ready for that. Hopefully it actually happens and we can make a video plowing snow. I know you guys all love that. A lot of you are looking forward to that. So hopefully it comes and we can actually do that. But I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.